Hello you guys, and welcome to Key West. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen and I am from Sanibel Island, Florida. So today we took the 6-hour trip down from Sanibel Island to Key West. I love the Florida Keys. I love the Florida Keys and Key West. In fact, I've come here almost like every year for the past few years to Key West. I've been all over the Florida Keys. In fact, at one point in time, I was highly considering moving to the Florida Keys, but after Hurricane Ian, decided against that. But I do love coming back here. So I'm excited to be in Key West. So this is the longest stint I've actually been able to stay here. So we're here for a few days. Normally when I come to Key West, I might be staying in other parts of the Keys and just coming down for a day, or taking what's called the Key West Express from Fort Myers Beach, which is in the county that I live in, and coming down to Key West. It's a 4-hour boat ride down. And then sometimes I will stay just for the day, so be here for a few hours and then head back. Or sometimes I'll just do like a one-night stay. So this is the longest stay, so I'm super excited to do some new and fun things. And of course, along the way, I'll show you some different things, places that you should definitely check out if you're here for like a day stint or a few hours. So we are staying at the Ocean Key Resort and Spa. So it's on the north end of Duval. We're in an amazing room, which I'll show you guys in a second, do like a little room tour. But I'm so excited to be here and I'm excited to share this trip with you guys. So right now you're sitting on a window pane. So I'll turn you guys around in a minute so you can see the view. So this is in the Mallory Square area. And so there's amazing sunset. So we did get a view, which I wasn't anticipating. So I'm super excited to show you guys that and to see sunsets. So let me turn you guys around. So this is the view, you guys, from our window. So out here, the beautiful ocean view. What you're seeing right there is a cruise ship. So people do come in here for cruise stays, whether like for a day, etc. So they get to explore Key West. So very excited, and then I'll show you guys around. So here is like a little desk from this area. This is the view from the room. So I believe this is a sleeper sofa right here. Cute little end table, the bed, and then the TV, the little dresser under there, the mirror, which I'll show you guys. Crazy thing is, I thought this thing right here was like an armoire. No, let me show you guys what's in here. It's like a full-blown bar. So super crazy. I thought that was really funny. So yeah, and then from here, like I said, the desk, another little TV here. And then what I didn't realize is we were also going to be getting a balcony. So let me take you guys out. So super gorgeous, great view. You can get a little bit of sun, come out here in the morning, doing some reading. So exciting. So yeah, there's that cruise ship again. But yeah, it's in such a great location on the north end of Duval, so the main kind of thoroughfare street that is famous here in Key West. So we'll be able to get to places we want to see. So I'm very excited about this trip and being here. I'll show you guys the bathroom in a second. It's really nice as well. But yeah, very excited to be here. In about 2-ish hours, a little less than that, we have dinner reservations at what's called Bagatelle. So Bagatelle is a nicer restaurant and I've heard really good things about it. It's also on Duval, so we'll probably just walk there, but I'm excited about that and to take you along. All right guys, so I wanted to show you guys the bathroom after freshening up a little bit, so excuse that, but I love the mirror and everything. Has a nice closet in here, and then double sinks as you guys saw. And then over here, the little bathroom area. And this shower is insane, you guys. It is huge. So it does have 2 like shower heads. So crazy. Just a massive bathroom and beautiful mosaic as well. I also wanted to show you guys my outfit. Sorry, another thing. So this tube top is from Lululemon, and then my pants are from One Island, Sanibel, so a very cute boutique where I live. So I'll try to link things down below. And then the shoes that I'm wearing are Tory Burch sandals. guys, so we just got back from dinner at Bagatelle. We just kept it kind of light with appetizers and salads, and it was really good, very fresh. I really liked it there. So yeah, we also shopped a little bit on Duval before going to dinner. So I got some items here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna put this at the end of this video or if I'm gonna do a separate video, but I'll let you guys know. And if it is, it'll be timestamped down below. Yeah, I did a little bit of shopping. You can maybe hear in the background, which is technically behind you guys, is Mallory Square. So there's some live music going on for like the sunset celebration. So the sunset's in about an hour. So we're still deciding what we're gonna do. If we're gonna go back onto Duval or over to the Sunset Pier, which is part of technically this resort. So we might do that, or just walk around on Mallory, or we might even sit on that little deck that you were talking about and just kind of hang out there for a little bit. So I'll of course take you along for that. You guys, it is now the next day, so we're gonna go and have breakfast here on what's called the Hot Tin Roof. So that's a part of this resort, so it's upstairs and we have complimentary breakfast. Behind me I am watching, there is a new cruise ship, so the other one left last night. I think they're only here for like a day to explore and then they're off. So this is another one, and I can see right now their little decking and everything is coming down, so for people to come off. But yeah, I'm gonna go get breakfast and then I'll take you along for all the fun that we'll have later on today. All right, you guys, so we just had breakfast at the Hot Tin Roof here, so it was really nice. We got like a nice little waterfront view. I'm gonna do my best to get as much footage as I can today. It is very, very humid, so I feel like every time I open my camera and I start filming, it fogs up, but I'll do my best. So we're gonna do a lot of sightseeing today. We're gonna see the little Truman White House. We're probably gonna see the oldest house in Key West, as well as the Curry like mansion. So that was one of like the original people that lived on Key West, and the Currys, the female, which I'll give you guys the names and things like that later, she was the heir to Florida's first millionaire. So a lot of cool history down here as well. We might try to get to the Key West Lighthouse as well today, which is near the Ernest Hemingway house, but I've been there several times, so I'm probably not gonna go there. But if it is your first time visiting, definitely head to the Ernest Hemingway house and see his house, the history there. One of the only Florida homes that has a basement, and then there's also a bunch of cats roaming around, and there's a few that have like some genetic ancestry that they have 6 like phalanges on their paws, which is really interesting. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of sightseeing today, probably head to the southernmost point, so that's at the other end of Key West. So lots of fun things to do, which of course I'll be taking you along for. sightseeing. We came back after doing some shopping off of Duval and decided to freshen up a little bit. We're gonna go back out. There is a Lilly Pulitzer not very far from where we're staying, so we're gonna go there, and then I'll keep you guys updated as to what we are doing after that. We do have dinner plans this evening, so we'll definitely come back and like shower before that, but we're probably just gonna do some shopping. Alright you guys, it's quite a bit later. We came back to the room after going to Lilly Pulitzer and just a few more places on Duval, and then came back, showered, and now we're heading to dinner. We're gonna go to the Hot Tin Roof again. So they have like a different menu obviously than what we had this for breakfast, and so we'll get to watch kind of the sun go down, golden hour, all that fun stuff, and I'll let you know what our evening plans might be after that. We got back from dinner. We decided to come upstairs and freshen up, but it was a really nice dinner at Hot Tin Roof here at the resort. So you might be able to hear it in the background since we're in like the Mallory Square area. You can probably hear the music for the sunset celebration that they have every evening. So we're gonna decide where we're gonna hang out for that, if we're just gonna stay up here on the little deck or if we're gonna like go out. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright you guys, it is now our last full day here. We had a little bit of a later start due to rain and everything, but now that's cleared up and it's a bit overcast, but we're still gonna make the most of today. So you saw we had breakfast, came back, got some work done, and now we're heading out for the day. So we're probably gonna explore more like side streets and things like that off of Duval, but kind of see some shops that we haven't looked into that have been closed for the past few days. So of course I will take you along for everything. you guys, it is the next day and we just had breakfast, but we're now back in the room and we're just packing up to get ready to leave so we can make our 6-hour drive home. Had a great time on this trip. I love coming to Key West. It's a really fun time. I hope I did a good job vlogging everything for you guys. I know yesterday was kind of a rainy day, so I didn't get as many clips, but it was still a very fun day. So I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, comment down below if you've ever been to Key West and what places you might have thought I skipped seeing, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.